Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP. Already we discussed partial fraction type 1, type 2, type 1 contain denominator linear factors which are not repeated. Type 2 contain denominator contain linear factors in which some factors are repeated. Now type 3 is what? Denominator contains some factors are quadratic which are not factorized. We are not able to break it. So what you will do? So that is what. In small case I will take 1 by x square plus 1 x minus 1. See, this x minus 1 is a single linear, okay, no problem. But x square plus 1 I am not able to break. If I break means what you will get? X plus I, x minus I. Complex number not allowed in real field. Particularly if you studied about complex means what I can allowed. As you like, don't take I, don't call I, you can come and help like this. Highly impossible. So in real field means what? You never call I. Normally if you studied complex algebra, complex analysis, complex integration, complex differentiation means what? You can call I. He will come and help you, but nowhere you don't call actually. Getting or not? So x square plus 1, don't write x plus I into x minus I. You cannot break actually. So in this case what I will do? Here also what is the degree? Third degree. How many constants I told? See the degree, that much of number of constants you hold your hand, then you can do. Here what is the degree? Third degree. Take 3 constants. This how can I write? 1 by x square plus 1 x minus 1. Then which is linear, that you can write first a by x minus 1. Then which is the quadratic factor. Don't expect this only x square plus 1. Sometimes you may get x square plus 2x plus 5. You cannot break. If you are able to break means you can break. Not only that first and second type. Sometimes maybe it will be quadratic. You can break, factorize. Sometimes you cannot miss, you can come this a by x minus 1. Here is what already one constant over another 2 constants. 2 constants how I will use? I will introduce one linear bx plus c by x square plus 1. Suppose if I have another means what? X square plus 2 means what I will use? What? Dx plus c. Quadratic top what? Numerator I will use one linear expression. Reaching or not? This is the way of doing the type 3. Now here also same story. Every time you can multiply this fellow here, this fellow here, this fellow here. Then what I will get? Tell. One is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Now how many factors in my hand? Linear factors. Only this fellow, only one fellow. So I can get one value. Another 2 values how to attack. Here only some story will start. You see. Now what values I can able to find out easily? That you can first I will find out. That is my job will become easy, half of the job. So put x is equal to what? X is equal to 1. Then 1 is equal to what? You will get a into 2. This fellow become vanish. 0 into anything is equal to 0. So a is equal to what? 1 by 2. Correct or not? Then another is what? Over. I can't do anything. Now what I told, always put x is equal to 0. That is best chance. Then you can put highest degree. Here highest degree coefficient is what? X square. X square means what? Bx into x. Here on x square. Correct or not? So what you will get? Comparing on both sides x square coefficient. So this side in x square is there means I will take, if it is not there means 0 is equal to who will come? A plus b. Already I know a value, so b is equal to what? Minus a. So b is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Right. Here who is a? A is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then C. For finding C is what? Already highest degree compared. What I told? Better you can put x is equal to 0 or comparing the constants coefficients on both sides. Right. Put x is equal to 0. Who will come? Put x is equal to 0. 1 is equal to, this fellow becomes 0. A into 1. This will come go off. Then minus C. Here also same story. Who is A here? 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus c. C is equal to minus of. Got it or not? ABC values once if you know means what? Go back and substitute. What is my equation? ABC available means what? C by minus of. Then right, what is given equation? Given fraction 1 by x square plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to what I am writing? A by x minus 1. So 1 by 2 by x minus 1, bx plus c. What is b? Minus 1 by 2 into x plus c 1 by 2, that is also minus, by x square plus 1. Here another doubt you will get. I want to take actually suppose some three previous is what a b, so I am taking my a, because if you want another a in another place also you can take, nothing will happen. My a become your b, your b become nothing. So but terminal answer is same. If I write 1 by 2 x by means 1 by 2 only you will get, whatever may be a or b or c. Here if the c comes means what, same story you will get. Okay, now this is the type 3. So type 1, type 2, type 3 are very very important, and another type is there, very very important, type 4. We cannot say type 4, just you can see this is special case you can treat actually. Suppose sometimes you will have x by x square plus 1, then x square minus 1. If you want you can use actually third type, x plus 1 into x minus 1. No, denominator purely what? Quadratic, no x term, x square plus 1 or x square minus 1 or x square plus 2. Numerator should be what? Numerator x square or x power 4 even powers. I can treat as a, this is as a first type. This may be useful, very very useful in Laplace transform finding, Fourier transforms, everywhere it's useful. So a by x square plus 1, b by, this my job become, this I will treat as a first type when numerator degree is what? 1 or x square or x power 4 means cannot be allowed. Degree 4 means up to is what? X square. Suppose here another factor means x power 4 allowed. Getting or not? So this is also very very, this again whole state. Then what you will do? Don't put x value. Put x square is equal to minus 1. Put x square is equal to plus 1. You will get reaching or not. It's very very easy method. So this is particular case only I will use. Though I don't want you to go for the third type. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.